always knew I was a baddie because, you know, my mom's a baddie, and when your mom's a baddie, you're gonna be a baddie. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. These are the nails we're going to be doing today. They are press-on nails, but before we get into that, I do want to share a mini Shein haul with you. Okay, now we're going to be moving on to all the nail things that I got. So I'm thinking of starting to sell some press-ons. So the first thing I got was some glue. So it's just some nail glue to add into the press-on nail packages. Then I got these sticky tabs. Now I didn't expect them to be so tiny. And I did get 2 packs because I think they came in packs of 30. I knew I would need a lot of these. So here they are really tiny, and I don't know if the nails are all gonna fit. Maybe I'll see. Once these pop off, I'll try and package them and see if they fit on one of these strips. These cute little tiny nail files to add to the press-on package. That's really cute. I think you saw in my last video I was using an old beauty blender to make the aura designs, so I thought that I needed to get one of these, and I'm so happy with this. Ew, it came with like the sponge on it. So you just pick up the sponge like that, and then you use it for the aura designs. This, oh my gosh, I'm happy. I'm excited to see this thing. I just thought that maybe this would be easier, like if I were gonna sell press-ons, in this way I would make sure that all the flowers look identical. Then I got this for the times that I do want to sculpt my own things. Like, hopefully it'll help make these 3D designs easier. This is so cute. I'm happy that I got a blue color. I don't know if I chose that or if it was just random. These are the last items, and I saved them for last because I think they are the most important. The first thing is a base color from, I don't know how you say this. I'm not even gonna embarrass myself and try and pronounce what that is. It was supposed to come like this, but this part snapped over here, so that's not fun. That would have been so cute if it didn't break. Now this is how that other one should have come packaged. Look at the package. Here is the Oxy Professional. It said Professional and it got really good reviews on Shein. So I'm hoping this top coat is worth the money because I think it was 70 Rand, which isn't so bad for a professional top coat. But I'm really excited to see how well this top coat works, and I hope it's glossy, more glossy than the top coat that I already have, which is Bling Girl. Bling Girl is alright if you're starting out, but if you want to sell press-ons or do nails for other people, you're gonna want to have a good quality top coat, and that's why I got this. Last but not least, I got some crow powders. Yay! So these came in a pack of 6. There's more gold in here than anything, which I think is what I wanted because I wanted to try out all those cute little, you know, isolated. There's a few other extra things that I got, like the sticky pad so that your phone can stick to a mirror or window. And then I also got a tripod, a plastic tripod. I don't know, I just felt like I needed one. Now that's the end of the haul, and we can finally get into making these press-ons. The first thing I'm going to do is add all the base colors on, except for the thumbnail because the thumb wasn't in the inspo picture, so I wanted to leave it for last so that I could find something that would match with the whole set. But I first did some pink colors and then I went in with white. Now because I didn't want the white to be like a bright white, I did mix some yellow. So I took a yellow gel polish and I mixed it in with the white to kind of get this cream color. So if you see yellow on the brush, that's why. Now I'm going to do all of the fringe tips with the cream white color. I'm taking this green gel polish that I mixed with a little bit of top coat to make it a bit more lighter or see-through, and I'm starting the checkered design. Now I'm doing the little fruit design nails, and these were actually my favorite nails to do because they just turned out so cute. And it was actually very simple to do because I was just making circles and then adding the leaves onto them. I know you can see the blue bows in this clip, but don't worry, I do show you how I paint them. And bows are actually very simple to paint on, and I do show you that later on in the video. I just wanted to add that I know my nails are looking extremely rough, but it's just because I was very impatient with taking off my last gel set, so I was kind of ripping them off and biting them off when I wasn't supposed to. Now we are going in and painting the bow. As you can see, I kind of just do kind of like an infinity sign with the gel brush, and then I add the two ribbons on the ends that kind of like squiggles or lines, and it turns out really cute after that. So yeah, that's how simple it is to draw a bow. I just sculpted the cherries using hard gel. So I kind of just rolled them into balls, placed them next to each other, and cured them in the light. And now I'm painting over it with a jelly-like red color, just to give it like a shiny, kind of glossy look to it. Looking at all the nails side by side, the look was really coming together. And I'm sorry that I didn't record me doing the little ants on the check nails. I just had to have the nails really close to my face. And now basically what I'm doing is finally doing the thumbnail. So I was kind of anxious because I didn't know what I was gonna do, and I was planning to put those little daisy charms on it. That's just because I thought they would look really cute with the nail design. Now, while the thumbnails are in the gel lamp, I'm just top coating some of the other nails just to save some time. After I finished the thumb design, I just placed it on the stand with the other nails just to see how it would look. And I was really liking how it looked. I felt like it fit with the design perfectly. How cute did this little ant come out? It looks so cute. And look at the detail of the leaves on this one with like the orange fruit, whatever it is. Like, wow. It was just so cute. So here I'm basically just top coating the thumbs, and I wanted to add the daisy to see how it would look with the design, and I didn't like it.
Like, I felt like it just looked odd. It was like out of place, so I decided to just take it off. I literally felt like saying thank you but no thanks, you know. This is my little artist palette. That's what that thing looked like after I was done. Like, ew. But look how cute these nails turned out. Like, oh my word. Wow. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. This just helps me, or keeps me motivated to make more videos.